What is going on, Dispatch Masters? Today's video is going to be really short and sweet. I want to quickly just touch on a couple of things. Today we're going to be talking about clarity and confidence. Now they go hand in hand. Clarity in regards to who you're speaking to, who your audience is, and what they actually want. But also clarity on who you are, what you stand for, the things about you as a human being that again influence your decision making. So let's just riff through clarity one more time. It's in an industry where communication is vital, right? Communication is crucial. You need to be able to communicate that to the right person, right? You can communicate very, very clearly and really speak to them and let them know, like, hey, I am here to solve your problem. That's going to be the backbone of how you're really going to start building your relationships and locking arms with people that want to work with you. So again, in terms of clarity, you have clarity on who you're speaking to, what their desires are, but you also have clarity on who you are. Talking about you as, you know, your own personality, your own brand, and your own input into your content. So you'll hear me bring this up in future trainings, but I think it's really important to marinate on. And I want you guys to just sit back and think for a second, why are you here? Why have you joined the Dispatch Masters membership? What is this program doing that's any different from anything else you may have seen, right? And it may be because you were already exposed to us on social, right? We've been crushing it on our awareness. So crushing it online, creating an audience, converting them into sales, that's all part of your process, but it also has a lot to do with, again, just you as your own personality. It's not just the information that you're giving, but it's the story that you're sharing. What tethers you to the information and why you're so valuable. So in today's video, again, go ahead, write down an anchor in terms of clarity, how you relate to your audience, what do you have in common with them, and how you can start infusing your personality into your products and services, what you stand for, what you believe in, and what does your ideal client look like? What do they want in their business? What are their desires, their beliefs? You want to make sure your community isn't just full of fluff, right? It's not something that people can just go Google. They really want to know who you are, be connected to you, and they want to hire you because it's you. So in the grand scheme of things, what's for sale is not your programs, not your products, not your services, not your process. It's actually you. And we talk about this a lot when we get into the sales process. We're not just marketing information, right? We're not just putting our package, our product, our services out into the marketplace, right? You have an audience because they believe in your story. They believe that you're the best person to guide them through their journey in their business. So clarity, that's the first part. Confidence is the other. So in this second half, you have to know how important it is to have a transfer of energy, a transfer of competence. You need to start integrating more daily activities where you go and every single thing you do, you're doing it with intention, but with purpose, right? And this is designed to help you build that confidence in showing up and showing out. Building that consistency in your day-to-day, you'll start to see where you'll gain confidence. You'll be able to speak more clearly. You'll be able to respond with more clarity, right? And you can mix that clarity with the competence, and that's when you get certainty. Certainty from your audience, certainty from you, that energetic match, right? This is going to lead to way more sales in your business. So just keep that in mind moving forward. Do not hesitate to leave me a question down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk soon.